there is a small lag. So whatever I have written, you understood. Deva, Rakshana, Shivani, Irene, all of you clear? Please respond once again.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, understood. So the R is written. We have to find the domain of the relation. Domain. Okay, domain. Domain is equal to, what is domain? The domain is the first elements of the ordered pairs. This what? The first elements of the ordered pair. Write it as a set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first elements of the ordered pair are, set of the elements will be domain. Range is the second elements of the ordered pair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a very simple question. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have written both domain and range. So you please write down. If you don't understand, please ask. If you are 100% clear, please raise your hand. If you are 100% clear. How is the screen? The screen is better than the white screen, right? There is a good clarity, right? If whatever I write, there is a good clarity. I think so. So you understood, everyone okay? Deva, do you have any doubt, Deva? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
So you finished. Can I go to the next problem? So then the next is seven will be homework for you. Oh sorry, I will discuss 7 and 8. I will discuss, don't worry, I will discuss that. Let me select all these 7, 8, 9 together. Let me select all these 7, 8, 9 together. Only these three questions are remaining. കീർത്തി ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പറയണോട്ടോ കീർത്തി, ഞാൻ കീർത്തിക്ക് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം കേട്ടോ കീർത്തി.
Okay, sir.
ഒന്ന് ചാറ്റ് മെസ്സേജ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വാട്സപ്പ് ചാറ്റ് മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചാൽ മതി. So let me discuss the seventh one. Write the relation r equal to x comma x cube where x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. The relation contains ordered pair x comma x cube, right? So seventh one, listen, seventh one. So we can directly substitute the possible values of x. Here x is a prime number less than 10. So x can be, let me write the possible values of x first. X can be, what are the possible values of x? Prime number less than 10. 2, 3, 5, 7. Not 9. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers less than 10. Mentioned in the question, x is a prime number less than 10. These are the possible values of x. Relation contains ordered pairs. Relation contains ordered pair x comma x cube. So if x equal to 2, what happens? If x equal to 2, it will be 2 cube. I mean 8. Let me write in a single step. 2 cube is 8. The next possible value x is 3. If x equal to 3, it will be 3 cube, 27. When x equal to 5, it will be 5 cube, 125. When x equal to 7, 7 cube, it is 49 into 7. 343. 7 is the last number. Relation is written. Okay, understood? All of you clear? All of it clear? Shivani, Aryan, Rakshana. All of it clear? Please respond. Hello, please respond. Hello. Please ask me doubts. Okay, if you don't understand, please ask me doubts. Rakshana, have you understood? Rakshana.
Yes, sir.
Shivani ഇപ്പോൾ ഏത് ചാപ്റ്റർ എടുത്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിൽ? Shivani
Sir, trigonometry.
ട്രിഗണോമെട്രി ആയല്ലേ? ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ട്രിഗണോമെട്രി എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
കുഴപ്പമില്ല സർ.
ആ, എവിടം വരെയായി ട്രിഗണോമെട്രി?
സർ റേഡിയൻ മെഷേഴ്സും കോസും സൈനൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം.
Okay, യെസ്. So completed. Aryan, Deva, all of you are finished. Okay. ഞാൻ കീർത്തിക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് പുറത്തുനിന്നുള്ള കുറേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തരാം കേട്ടോ കീർത്തി. ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് next topic is relation is over. The next topic is function. Function കുറച്ച് ഹാർഡാണ്. Let me discuss function. All of you please listen. Next topic is function. Function. Function is a special type of relation. Function is a special type of relation. I will explain function with the help of an example. Okay, I will explain function using an example. Let me draw a few arrow diagrams. Arrow diagram is familiar to us, right? Arrow diagram is familiar to us. I am drawing relations. A to B, there are relations. Suppose A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. B contains A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a relation connecting A and B. This is the arrow diagram representation of a relation from A to B. It is just an example. It is a relation, no doubt. If you want to write in the roster form, how can you write in the roster form? The element 1 is related to A. The element 1 is related to A, denoted by 1 comma A. 2 is related to A, denoted by 2A. 3 is related to B, 3B. 4 is related to F, 4F. Just written, okay. This is a relation, there is no doubt. Is it okay? All of it clear? This is a relation. Shivani, Aryan, Rakshana, Deva. So roster form is clear. So I don't want to show that roster form. Look at the arrow diagram. This is the first relation. Let me draw a few more relations. Arrow diagram. Okay, I am showing the arrow diagram. Another relation from A to B. Suppose A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. This contains A, B, C, D, E, F. Another relation. Okay, then third example. We need more example, then only we can understand the function. I need more example. 4 examples I want. A contains, this is an example, A, B, C, D, E, F. Another relation. Then okay, next fourth one. 5 figures I will draw. Okay, 5 figures. 1 2 3 4 A B C D E F. 1 to A, 2 to B, 2 to F, 3 to C, 4 to D. Is it visible? Is it visible? Okay. And fifth example, last one. A to B. 1 2 3 4 A B C D E F. So these are the relations from A to B. So how many relations I can define like this? I can frame 2 raised to mn relations. Okay, there are in different ways I can form the relation. By changing the arrow, you will get different types of relations. I am going to define function. Function is a special type of relation in which a relation is said to be a function if each element of set A, listen carefully, each element of set A has a single image in set B. I will repeat. Each element of set A must have a single image in set B. Meaning that, what is the image of 1? The image of 1 is A. Image means 1 is related to which number? That is the meaning. What is image of 1? The image of 1 is A. It is single image. 1 has only a single image. But suppose there is an arrow goes like this. Then in that case 1 has 2 images. Because 1 is related to A, also 1 is related to E. So 1 has 2 images. Suppose the arrows goes like this. 1 will have 2 images, A and E. Then it will not be function. Function, a relation becomes function if each element of A must have a single image. So in this case 1 will have a 2 images, then it will not be function. So look here, 1 has only a single image A, 2 has only a single image A. There is no issue if the 2 arrows meet together. If the arrows meet together, there is no issue. The definition is not like that. The definition is not like that. Each element of A must have a single image. 1 has a single image which is A. 2 has a single image. 3 has a single image. 4 has a single image. If the arrow goes like this, then 4 has 2 images, D and F. So it will not be function. So let me write the definition. After that you can ask me doubt. So let me write the definition. A relation, definition is required. A relation from A to B. I will interact with you after explaining this. A relation from A to B is said to be a function. Said to be a function if each elements of set A has a single image in set B. So the first example is a function. Let me complete it. After that you can ask me doubt. The first one is a function. Why? 1 has single image, 2 has single, 3 has single, 4 has single. Every element of A has a single image. Second example, 1 has a single image which is A. If it is like this, then 1 has 2 images. But 1 has one image A, 2 has 1 image, 3 has 1 image, 4 has 1 image. Every element of set A has a single image. It's a function. Here the arrows can meet together. Okay, it is not a part of definition. The arrows may or may not meet together. It is not a part of the definition. The definition is simple. Each element of set A must have a single image. 1 has a single image A. 2 has a single image A, 3 has a single image, 4 has a single image. So every element of set A has a single image. It is a function. Fourth one, let me complete it. After that I will interact with you. You can ask me doubt. Fourth one, it is not a function because 2 has 2 images. What are the images of 2? B and F. So 2 has 2 images, but each element must have a single image. Here 2 has 2 images. It is not a function. Third one, last one, 1 has a single image, 2 has a single image, 3 has a single image. 4 does not have any image. 4 does not have any image. But it is necessary that each element of set A has a single image. Each is mentioned, right? So every element of A must have a single image. So if there is no image, it is not function. 4 must have a single image, but here 4 does not have any image. In that case also it is not function. So you please write down. If you don't understand anything, you please ask me. If you are okay, clear, then raise your hand. Aryan, Deva, Rakshana, Shivani.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, tell me, Deva, yes.
sir, can you explain the third case once again, sir?
Last case?
No, sir, the third one.
Third case. Third one, okay. 1 has how many images? Tell me.
One, sir.
1. What is the image of 1A? 1 has only a single image. You agree with me? 1 has a single image. 2 has how many images? 2 has how many images? 1. 3 has how many images?
One image.
1. 4 also has a single image. So condition is satisfied. Each element has a single image, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, the arrow can meet or may not meet. That is not an issue. 1 has how many image? 1. 2 has how many image? 1. Like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear. ആര്യന് മനസ്സിലായോ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യം? ആര്യൻ,
Yes, sir.
ശിവാനിക്ക് ക്ലിയർ അല്ലേ? ശിവാനി,
Yes, sir.
ശിവാനിക്ക് ഞാൻ അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ കുറച്ച് എക്സ്ട്രാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെ ഒരു പി പി ടി റെഡിയാക്കി വെക്കാം. ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ റെഡിയാക്കിയിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ. ഫ്രീ ടൈം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ അത് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വെച്ച് ചെയ്യാം. സോ can I go to next page? Aryan, Deva, Rakshana, can I go to next page? Please respond. Is it audible? Can I go to next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. So that is a domain. Function is clear. I hope you have understood. So we can let me discuss a few problems. Let me look at the exercise. 1 minute. There are graphs, but I will discuss graph later. If the roster form is given, how to check whether it is function or not, I will discuss. All of you please listen. Only 3 exercises are there in this chapter. Look at this question. All of you please listen. Which of the following relations are function? Give reason. If it is function, determine the domain and range. This is the question. How to do this question? So the first set and second set is not mentioned. So don't worry. Let us draw an arrow diagram and check. Let us draw the arrow diagram. That is the only way. The sets are not clearly specified. So, but let us draw the arrow diagram. We get some idea about whether it is function or not. I am discussing the first one. First one says that 2 is related to 1. Is it correct? Let me give some name for the first set as A, the second set as B. What does it mean 2 comma 1? The element 2 is related to 1. The element 2 is related to 1 in the other set. 5 comma 1, what does it mean? The element 5 is related to 1. It's very simple. 8 1, 8 is related to 1. 11 1, 11 is related to 1. 14 1, 14 is related to 1. 17 1, 17 is related to 1. No other ordered pairs. And the question did not say anything about A and B, so just draw the arrows. Okay, we assume that there is no more elements. Okay, we assume that there is no more elements. So I have drawn the arrow diagram. Look at this arrow diagram. Is it a function? Yes, because look at the elements. Each elements of A, 2 has a single image 1. There is no a separate arrow starting from 2. There is no separate arrow. If there is a arrow towards any other number, then 2 will have 2 images. But there is no separate arrow. So 2 has a single image, 5 has a single image, etc. etc. So it is a function. It is a function. Clear? Shivani, Rakshana, Deva, Aryan. Shivani the fullum ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു എന്ന് നീ പറയണം കേട്ടോ ശിവാനി. Additional question തരാം. എനിക്ക് വാട്സപ്പിൽ ചെയ്താൽ മതി, അയച്ചു തന്നാൽ മതി. കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഫ്രീ ടൈം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലം തരാം. ദേവ, ഡു യു ഹാവ് എനി ഡൗട്ട്? ദേവ, ക്ലിയർ?
No, sir, understood.
The second one, it's a very simple question. The second one, so draw the arrow diagram. That is the best way. Otherwise you will have a confusion. So the second one, draw the arrows. Draw much larger diagram because we have to accommodate more elements inside this diagram. Look at this. 2 comma 1 is there, meaning that 2 is related to 1. 4 comma 2 is there. 4 is related to 2 in the other set. 6 3 meaning that 6 is related to 3. 8 4, oh, it's a simple one. 8 is related to element 4. 10 5, 10 is related to 5. 12 6, 12 is related to 6. As I told you, much larger diagram is required. 1 minute. Then one more element, 14 7. Let us name the first one as A, second one as B. Deva, you please tell me, is it a function?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Aryan, ഇത് function ആണോ? Aryan പറഞ്ഞ function ആണ്. Okay. The next, third one. Only 3 questions. Third one, we have to determine whether it is function or not. Oh, domain and range. We need to find domain and range. Okay, I will find it. But let me draw the arrow diagram of third one. Only 3 ordered pairs, right? 1 3 means that 1 is related to 3. 1 5 means 1 is also related to 5. Understood? No, don't repeat element. Understood? When you draw the arrow diagram, don't repeat. Don't draw like this. 1 is already marked, then don't mark 1 once again. 1 is already marked, don't mark 1 again. 1 3 is there, 1 5 is there. 2 5 is there. No more ordered pair. Rakshana, you please tell me, is it a function? Rakshana. Rakshana, you please tell me, is it a function?
No, sir, it's not a function.
Yes. One has two images. One has two images, not a function. Not a function. You can write the reason. One has two images. So the question, I did not read the question. We have to find the domain and range. Okay, for the first question, let me write here. For the first question, domain is. For the first question, domain is the elements from which the arrows start. Clear? The elements from which the arrows start will be the domain. The arrow starting from 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Range is the set of elements at which the arrows end. Set of elements at which the arrows end. Arrows ending on 1. Let me complete. After that you can ask me doubt. The second one, domain. The set of elements from which the arrows start. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Range is the set of elements at which the arrows end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third one is not a function. We need to find domain and range only for functions. Third one has domain and range, but we need not write it. So all of you please write down. If you have any doubt, you please ask. ശിവാനി ഇത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയതാണോ ശിവാനി? അല്ല ഇത് നേരത്തെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയതാണ്. എനിക്കൊന്ന് വാട്സപ്പിൽ അയക്കായിരുന്നു കേട്ടോ. ഞാൻ വേറെ പ്രോബ്ലം തരാം അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിലേ. Completed. ആര്യൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ആര്യൻ ഇത്രയും പറഞ്ഞതിൽ?
ഇല്ല സർ.
Can I go to next page? Can I go to next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the function, the next is graph. Okay, the next is graph. So no other question based on functions. Next is about the graph. Okay. The miscellaneous, I will select a few problems from miscellaneous. You try this question and send me the answer through WhatsApp. This is taken from miscellaneous exercise. You have to draw the arrow diagram and please send it right now. Function denoted by small letter f. Do this problem. You have to draw the arrow diagram and write the solution. Within 2 minutes, I want the solution. Within 2 minutes. Let me add one question here. Can I add one more question here? Let me add one extra question. F is a relation. F is a function. Let me add one extra question. Okay. Justify the answer in each case. I think it was there in the question paper. 1 minute. It was already there. Okay. Second one is already there. I forgot to copy paste. I forgot to copy and paste it. The second one is already there. Okay. ശിവാനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയോ ആൻസർ? ശിവാനി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണോ?
യെസ് സർ, ഞാൻ അയക്കാൻ പോകുന്നു.
ആ ഓക്കെ.
ഇത്
ആര്യന് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ആര്യൻ
ഇല്ല സാർ, മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല? നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതിൽ വല്ല ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? നേരത്തെ ചെയ്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൽ ആര്യൻ
ഇല്ല ഇല്ല.
ഇത് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ ആര്യന്?
യെസ് സർ.
റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണോ? ഇതിൽ എരിപ്പെട്ട് ചോദിക്കട്ടെ ആര്യൻ. ഇത് ക്ലിയർ ആണല്ലോ? 100% ഓക്കെ ആണല്ലോ? ആ
യെസ് സർ.
ആ ആര്യൻ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഡോണ്ട് വറി, ഐ വിൽ ഡിസ്കസ്. കീർത്തി, ലെറ്റ് മീ സീ യുവർ ആൻസർ. കീർത്തി, 1 minute. കീർത്തി, ലെറ്റ് മീ ചെക്ക്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. കീർത്തി, യുവർ ആൻസർ ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ്. കീർത്തിക്ക് ഞാനൊരു ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം കേട്ടോ കീർത്തി. ഓക്കെ,
ഓക്കെ
ആ
സർ.
നേരം കൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഇവർക്ക് ഒന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യട്ടെ. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഓൺലി ഫോർ ശിവാനി. സോറി, ശിവാനി. ലെറ്റ് മീ റൈറ്റ് ഹിയർ. സിമ്പിളാണ്, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വായിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. ശിവാനി ആ നേരം കൊണ്ട് ഇതൊന്ന് ചെയ്യേ, ഞാൻ അവർക്ക് ആ നേരം കൊണ്ട് ഇതൊന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യട്ടെ കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ ശിവാനി.
സർ 6.
6 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ റിയൽ നമ്പർ.
ഓക്കെ സർ.
ശ്രമിച്ചു നോക്കി, കിട്ടിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം, നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. ഇത് സ്റ്റെപ്പുകൾ കുറവാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒന്ന് ആലോചിക്കുക, ആ നേരം കൊണ്ട് ഇവർക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യട്ടെ. പ്ലീസ്, വാട്ട് അബൌട്ട് ദിവ്യ? യു സെൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ദിവ്യ? No, you have not sent it. Please tell me. Sorry, Shivani has sent me the answer. What about others? Rakshana, do you have any idea, Rakshana?
Sir, I have a doubt in this question, sir.
Yes, listen. All of you, please listen. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? What is A? In this question, A is clearly specified. So let me write it. A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that okay? They clearly mentioned that. There is another set B. It is also specified. 1, 5, 9, etc. B contains 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. Is that okay? Deva, Aryan, Rakshana, till this step are you okay? Till this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now arrow to be drawn. Understood? I want to draw the arrows. Just draw arrow. How to draw the arrow? 1, 5. What does it mean 1, 5? 1 is related to 5, isn't it? 1 is related to 5. The 1 in the first set related to 5 in the second set. Then next is 2, 9. What is the meaning 2, 9? 2 is related to 9. 3, 1. 3 is related to 1. 4, 5. 4 is related to 5. 2, 11 is also there. 2 is related to 11. Is it okay? All of you clear? Aryan, Rakshana, Deva, all of you clear?
Yes.
So what we have done, we are relating. Understood? We are actually relating the elements of A with the elements of B. So clearly it is a relation. It is a relation. Because we are just relating the elements of first set with the elements of second set. So it is a relation from A to B. There is no doubt in that. ആര്യന് മനസ്സിലായോ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യം? ആര്യൻ
Yes, sir.
The second one is it a function? ആയിരം തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞ ഇത് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആണോ? ഈ ആരോ നോക്കിയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആണോ? ആര്യൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ ആര്യൻ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആണോ? എന്നാ വേണ്ട, നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. ദേവ, ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ദേവ?
No, sir.
വൈ? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ റീസൺ?
Sir, because 2 has 2 images.
യെസ്. ആര്യന് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? യെസ്, വെരി ഗുഡ് വെരി ഗുഡ്. ആര്യൻ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? 2-ന് 2 ഇമേജസ് വന്നിട്ടില്ലേ ആര്യൻ അല്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
വാട്ട് ആർ ദ ഇമേജസ് ഓഫ് 2 എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇമേജസ് ഓഫ് 2 ആർ 9 and 11. ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആവണമെങ്കിൽ ഓൺലി 1 ഇമേജ് ഈസ് അലൗഡ്. ഹിയർ 2 ഹാസ് 2 ഇമേജസ്. സോ നോട്ട് എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ. Not a function. Reason you can write. The reason is, what is the reason? Since 2 has 2 images. That is the reason. For the first one, what is the reason? For the first one, because we are relating. Understood? It is a relation from A to B because the elements of A. Right? The reason can be like this. The elements of set A are related with the elements of set B. So the first one is relation from A to B, but that is not a function because 2 has 2 images. Clear Deva? Aryan, clear?
Yes.
So you please write down. Shivani, കേക്ക് പോയിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ ശിവാനി?
Sir, I've sent that.
ഓക്കെ. ശിവാനി, റേഞ്ച് മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. റേഞ്ച് ഞാനത് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. കേട്ടല്ലോ ശിവാനി?
Okay, sir. Okay.
ഡൊമൈൻ കറക്റ്റാണ്, റേഞ്ച് മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം കോമൺ ആയിട്ട്.
പിന്നെ സർ തേർഡ് മെയിലത്തെ നോട്ട്സ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഞാൻ മിസ് ചെയ്ത ക്ലാസ്. സർ ക്ലാസ് വേണമെന്നില്ല, എനിക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് മതി.
നോട്ട് ഞാൻ സേവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്നൊരു ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവേണ്ടതാണ്. സെറ്റ് ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. നോട്ട് അല്ലേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ ആണോ?
സർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ.
ഓക്കെ ഉണ്ട്, അത്യാവശ്യത്തിനുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ഞാനിത് അയച്ചുതരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഞാനൊരു 10 മിനിറ്റുള്ളിൽ അയച്ചുതരാം. ഇതൊന്ന് ശരിക്കൊന്ന് കളറൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് വൈറ്റ് കളറാക്കാം. വൈറ്റ് കളറാക്കിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ 10 മിനിറ്റുള്ളിൽ അയച്ചുതരാം.
ഓക്കെ.
So let me wind up the class. Homework, let me check. I will send it. Okay, homework I will send it. So okay, ആര്യൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ആര്യൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇല്ല, ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. ദേവ, യു ക്യാൻ ആസ്ക് മീ ഡൗട്ട്. ദേവ, രക്ഷണ.
So no doubt, sir. Understood.
Okay, so let me wind up the class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.